Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami spinning top that you can play with like this. Okay. We need 2 sheets of origami paper, and I chose different colors for each model because it's more interesting. We also need a toothpick and a needle. So start with one of the origami papers, white side up, fold it in half horizontally. Now fold the bottom right corner to the top edge. Then the top left corner to the bottom edge. Turn the model over and fold this top edge in half and the bottom edge as well in half. And now we have a square. We'll open these flaps and half of the spinning top is ready. Now we'll do the same with the other origami paper. So start with the white side up, fold in half horizontally. And now please be careful with the pink one because it's going to be different from the blue one. You remember that here we folded the right bottom corner to the top edge. Now we're going to fold the top right corner to the bottom edge. So it's going to be opposite to this one, to the blue one. And the bottom left corner to the top edge. So you can see they are opposite. Now fold the model over and bring this corner here. And this corner here. And you have the second half ready. Now you can notice that each half has an open part, like with pockets, and one that is closed. You're going to put the 2 closed parts together and insert both corners of each half in the pockets of the other half, like this, and turn it over. And do the same for the pink corners. And the top is ready. Now to spin it, we'll use a toothpick and we want to make a hole inside in the middle right here. But if this hole is too big, then it won't spin. So I'm going to use a needle first. And just make a small hole, and then I'm going to insert the toothpick, and it's ready to play like this. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.